These really are just so easy to replace. I don't even know if I should make a video about it, but I'm gonna. First, ignore the engine running. I'm doing other diagnostic, and you want to get these clips off. My new one only came with one. Normally they come with two. And a flat blade screwdriver is what you want for that. So you get the flat blade in there like that, and then you can pry it out. Just like that. I'm gonna want to do the same thing to the top side here, and then I'll pull it off. We gotta lift the hood up a little bit and then wiggle it off. I'm currently holding the hood with my head. Yeah, you know, it's maybe get a buddy or find a stick or something. Should have thought this through. And if you do have to reuse clips, you can just break them like that. What I meant to show you is you can just compress them back together. I'm gonna keep working on this one until it fits snug. Just like that, nice and snug. I want my tabs on the same side of the strut. We'll go pop it in. Okay, that's it. And I only bought one because that's all the parts store had. I'm gonna let the other one ride. Sometimes you can get away with it if yours are just weak and not totally dead. Let's see. This one actually doesn't feel too bad, but I don't know, the hood was falling. Anyways, point is, job done.